Imagine a guy named Ben stranded in the middle of the desert alone. It's 40 degrees, the sun is blazing hot, and there's no food or water anywhere. He's been there for over a day now, and is aware that he will die soon if he goes for much longer without drinking. How valuable is then a water bottle to him? Value is the importance, worth, or usefulness of something. Cars have a certain inherent value, and so do smartphones, for example. They usually have a price as well, which is a different thing. Indeed, things without a price tag have a value as well, such as relationships, time, and even your next move in a game of chess. Value is also completely relative to each individual or entity, in the sense that something that may be worth a lot to someone may be worthless to someone else. In the previous story, if someone else suddenly appeared and gave Ben a choice between a water bottle and a truck of diamonds, the better choice at the time for Ben would be a water bottle, as that would keep him alive in detriment of the truck of diamonds, which would be of no value to him given his current conditions. From this concept of value, it's easy to see how you can improve your life. Simply exchange things for other, more valuable things. You need food and shelter for your survival, so the money you spend on those is usually worth it. But a new car loses value as soon as it's driven off the stand, depreciating further up to 40% in its first year alone, as opposed to a 2-year-old car which depreciates much slower. A good book, at the cost of a very small portion of your income and some of your time, can provide truly life-changing, unmeasurable value, whereas TV, at the cost of much of your free time, may either provide you with mild entertainment, nothing at all, or even negative value. Most important of all, giving to others and to the world in whatever form it takes, be it through helping friends, helping strangers, charity, giving compliments, or just being pleasant in general, costs next to nothing and can provide tremendous well-being for others and for yourself. And that's infinite value.